Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Kdenlive on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Kdenlive download. Click on that. After that, you're going to get the first website. Click on the downloads, and here if you click on the installable option, click on the download, and it's about 128 MB, so it will take some seconds to complete. Now you can simply click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission. Now you can simply close all of your background app, click on next, and you can simply click on install. After complete installation, now you can simply click on finish. Now you can simply search here Kdenlive. Also, you can simply come over into here is a Kdenlive. You can simply open it, and as you can see, your Kdenlive is rightly opened in your computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Kdenlive in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.